We are actually doing problems from the so-called material given to you already. Differentiation, this material we are doing. And in this last class we started doing level 1 problems, right? In that log anyway you can write answer. Problem number 5, and this is there in the other material also, very common problem. 5, y is equal to 2 power ax, also dy by dx is, means derivative is log 2, 5, 6 when x is 1. Find the a value. Answer generally 0, 1, 2, 3 options. This is a power x formula. What is a power x derivative? A power x into log a. Suppose in the place of x, if there is any coefficient, x coefficient, okay, then how to write a power kx into log a as usual multiplied by derivative of kx is k. Like that, in the place of k, 2, in the place of k, a. Now we are writing, so is equal to 2 power ax into log 2 multiplied by ax derivative. Write down x value 1, that we can symbolic form like this. Then what is answer? 2 power a log 2 into a is log 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6 can be 2 power something. What is that? We know 2 power 5, 32, 6, 64, 7, 1 to 8, 8, 2, 5. Therefore, log 2 power 8, logarithm rule, power rule, 8 log, cancel. So, 2 power a and a, 8. This we should express in this form. A must be same both places. How to write it? 2 square into 2. Now you see, a, 2, 2. Base is 2. Compare now any places, and hence what is a value? 2. This is the procedure to find unknown value given its derivative. Okay, so now next problem 6, tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of cot 5 by 2 minus x. Find dy by dx. Very understood. What is cot 90 minus theta? 90 multiples. 90 and 270, co-function. Co-function of cot, tan. First quadrant, all are positive. And tan inverse tan functions inverse each other, cancel. X. Then what is derivative? 1. Similarly, 7th also, y is equal to tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. Find derivative. This is also very useful problem. Even we get this type of models many times in the remaining calculus, integration also. That is why problems are important. Either derivative or integration we are getting. So, first, secant x plus tan x. Use trigonometry only. Simplify the problem first. Then you can do derivative. Simplification is important here. Major part is how to simplify to a smallest. That is what main. So here, simplification carries more weight. Right? So, secant x plus tan x consider first. Change into sin and cos. 1 by cos, sin by cos. 1 plus sin x by cos x. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Numerator I wrote half angle formula. Denominator half angle result. Cos square minus sin square. A plus b whole square. Cos plus sin whole square. By a square minus b square. Factors. A plus b into a minus b. Therefore, cos plus sin, cos minus sin. Now one factor cancel. Maximum trigonometry only we are doing. So, what is left over? One factor in the numerator and plus cancel minus. So, then divide with the cos everywhere. 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 minus tan x by 2. Compound angles using here. 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Tan of pi by 4 plus finally we have got the problem is reduced to a simplest form. Now we are writing here tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 and hence you understand now. Is clear? Functions cancel and they are 1 and hence only problem is remaining. This is very important even in integration because integrate this you do this one. And hence what is given by dx? Pi by 4 constant 0. X by 2 x is 1. Constant is remaining. That is what. Here what is main? Only trigonometry. Hardly one step to immediately next we are giving answer. That is the reason. This is about derivative of inverse function and mainly trigonometry. Now, 8. Here, 8 is also very important and these models are mainly for all other like mains exam. So, y is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus x into root x by 1 minus 3x. Very different and important models. These are all. And then find dy by dx. This is problem. So, therefore, here we are doing, okay, before finding derivative, we have to simplify, right? How to simplify? That is only main. If you know to simplify, derivative nothing. Derivative is nothing. How you will simplify? Only main. Okay. Here, if you observe, direct simplification is not possible. Something you have to create. That creating is important. Now you see how I will adjust it. 3 root x power 3 by 2 by 1 minus 3x. Very important. Again, 3 root x minus root x whole cube 3 by 2 only by 1 minus 3 root x whole square. No problem. X only. Why this adjustment I did? You understand? It is clear now. Why I wrote all this? In the place of root x, suppose if I write tan theta, story is clear. What do you know about that story? Here, when root x is tan theta, you read that bracket 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by. Next. What is next? All this I need not to write, already must be perfect with results. You are not even practicing any result. What is the result? We don't know. I will write here, you will copy. That only we know. Okay. Tan 3 theta result. Not perfectly practicing. Inverse cancel. 3 theta. Now what is theta here? Tan inverse of root x. Now it is easy to differentiate. Therefore, dy by dx is tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. Change rule. And derivative of 1 by derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Finally, what is the answer now? 3 by 2 into 1 plus x into root x. This is your answer. Where is this answer? Second option. All this because of the idea, only one idea is how you will arrange a root x. These type of problems mainly number of times they are asking in the mains exams. Okay. So log x power x, very understood and the easiest way, and PUC it is there in textbook also, and we know that how to do full solution. And why again I am writing is for revision, and you will get more practice. Apply log on both sides. Log x power x, power rule, x will come first. Log of log x, chain rule, differentiate in both sides. 1 by y, dy by dx, uv rule, x into log derivative 1 by log x, 1 log x derivative 1 by x, log of log x derivative 1. Complete. Now x cancel, 1 by log x, log x, all are logging only mainly. Then what is dy by dx? Y multiplied 1 by log x plus log. What is y value here? Problem. Check with answers. Finish it. Answer is finished. Where is this answer? First option only. First option. No. Sin x power x. Again, logarithmic differentiation because function power function. And even this is yesterday question for POC. They will ask in the same way. Okay. So what you do is apply log on both sides. Apply log. Apply log. Log y equal to log y equal to log of sin x power x. Log of sin x power x. Then again logarithm power rule. That power multiplied to the base. X log of sin x. Function half function. Differentiating. 1 by y dy by dx. X into log derivative and then sin derivative plus log of sin x. Finish up? Now, what is the answer next? Actually, to understand, I am giving you full method, but there is a direct answer. Without doing all this, you can write answer directly. But now, practice method only. That how to write direct answer I am not giving. Immediate answer only, but I am not giving. Only information I am telling. There is a chance of giving answer directly. Right? This is also possible. Now, dy by dx equal to y into x cot x plus log of sin x. What is y here? Sin x power x into x cot x plus log of sin x. Answer is finished. Where is this answer also? You have to check. He is writing in terms of y only. Sometimes they will write y value, sometimes they will not write. Okay, no problem. They are writing. He is not writing. Opposite. Like you only. He is also. Textbook also like you only. When I give homework, you will not do homework. Okay? When I tell that practice formula, you will not practice it. Exactly like you only. Huh? Therefore, very happy you have friends with you. In that friends, textbook also your friend only. Okay? 11. X power y e power x minus y. This is important. Dy by dx is asking in terms of x. Okay. Log apply. Log of x power y. Log e power. Then y log x. X minus y. Log e value 1. Y terms one side. Common. Log x plus 1 is x. Now y is equal to x by 1 plus. Now we got y we are writing in terms of x. Explicit function this is. We are able to separate y in terms of x. Then what we will do? Power. Next derivative only. Easy to find. U by v root 1 plus log x into whole square. cancel. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Answer is finished. In what way they are writing? You are also getting. He is also getting. Answer the textbook. Answer must be first option. Okay? This hyperbolic trigonometric functions you delete that. It is not in your syllabus. Waste only for you. No, not necessary. That is only in engineering. By mistake, if you go for engineering admission, there you will get hyperbolic trigonometry. Okay? Leave that unit. Now parametric we are doing. First 15th problem. This comes under parametric equation. Differentiation of parametric equation. So write down 1,5. X is equal to a into t plus sin t. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. If dx by dy, different way. Too much it is. Dx by dy, cot p. Find p value. Too much. Answer is in terms of t. Dx by dy. Very good. This is also very different and okay. We can do this type of problems also. First, x is in terms of t, y is in terms of t. Therefore, two variables x and y are connected by one third variable t, so called parameter, and hence they are called parametric equations. Differentiation of parametric equations is called parametric differentiation. Very important SLF question for even in POC. So first find derivative of x with respect to t. A into 1 plus sin derivative. Further here we will simplify. Half angle formula 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Then here dy by dt a into 1 minus 1 derivative 0 sin t cos t derivative minus and therefore minus minus. Again simplify half angle result 2 sin t by 2 cos t. Very good. Then normally we are proceeding parametric means dy by dx. He is writing dx by dy. Dx by dy can be written as dx by dt by dy by dt. What is dx by dt? 2a cos square t by 2, 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2. And next step you know that. Finally, what is cancel and then answer? 2 cancel, a cancel, 1 cos cancelled. Then cos t by 2 by cot t by 2. But he is giving answer is cot p. Then what is p value? T by 2. Not a difficult test, it is a simple problem, easy to find it. So, p in terms of t. T by 2. So called parametric differentiation. Okay? Next. Under parametric 16th also x is a cos power 4t, y b times sin power 4t. Find dy by dx when t is 3 pi by 4. Okay? Right. Here, what is dx by dt? A into 4 cos cube t, chain rule, dy by dt, b into 4 sin cube t and cos t, dy by dx, dy by dt first, 4b sin cube cos by minus 4a cos cube sin t, 4 cancel, minus b by a, 1 sin cancel, sin square t, 1 cos cancel, cos square t, minus b by a, tan square t, where t value 135, 3 pi by 4, tan square means whole square. What is tan 135? Pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus theta. Same function. Second quadrant. Tan is negative. Minus b by a. Minus tan pi by 4. And whole square. 45 is 1. Whole square is positive. But outside is minus. Finally you have minus answer. Negative answer. Which is in the first option. Therefore, this type of problem only because of angle. They gave you easy problem, but t value they want to substitute. 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus theta. Second quadrant. And hence answer. Okay. This is about 16th. 17th. Also ordinary derivative with the function with the function. There is important. Okay. And hence easy problems only. We will continue these problems also. So, what you do is practice same type of problems. As for material level, only 20-21 problems. Don't think we are finishing all models syllabus. Some models we are doing. More models of your side practice from other material. Okay? So next class also will continue these numbers. Level 2 also I will do. Okay? Right. Today's course is over.